Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode, we are going to be learning how to disable ads in Horror Tale 1. Whether you are playing on Android, iOS or PC, this guide will walk you through the safe and correct steps. So let's get started. First of all, launch open Horror Tale 1 on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you come across this screen over here, go ahead and tap on the checkbox at the bottom right where it says Show Advertisements. Right after you do that, you will be taken to this page depending upon your operating system. If you are using Android, you'll see the Google Play interface, whereas if you are using iOS, you'll see the iOS interface, where you can select your payment method or add one to complete your purchase. To disable ads, according to my interface over here, it is showing me it's gonna cost me 97 cents. Go ahead and add a payment method and follow through the instructions and make a small payment over here, and after successful confirmation, you'll be able to completely disable your ads, giving you a clean, distraction-free horror gameplay experience. If it does not disable ads immediately, you should try restarting your game and you'll be able to make sure that you have disable ads in Horror Tale 1. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.